All right, so my mic wasn't on for whatever reason. So there's no audio in this video, so I'm doing a voiceover. So it'll be a quick video today. So on this trade, I saw that we were at a pretty significant level of support. I looked back to the left and price bounced off of this level many times. So I saw a double bottom forming. That doji candle was rejecting off the level nicely. The next candle, as you see, broke that previous candle high, which entered me into the trade. As a counter trend setup, so counter trend's always more risky than taking a trade with the trend. Um, but it looked good. Price bounced off of here several times in the past, and I thought it would just shoot up. But unfortunately, that's not what happened, and we'll see how it plays out. Forgot to mention that I broke my rules and I traded during New York session this morning. I told myself I would only trade one session and I decided on London. I woke up and I thought I could make some more money. So I took two trades, one on gold, one on oil, and they both lost. And I lost pretty much all the profits I made from the previous 2 days. So these two trades, I'm trying to regain some of those losses. And unfortunately, as you'll see, both trades lose. So right here is where price starts to come down. It doesn't look very good, and it's because of this trade that I think I decided that I'm no longer going to be taking any counter trend setups. Only going to be trading with the trend, just because it's a higher probability setup. All right, in this trade, I saw a very small baby supply zone right here. Candles came into it and we're rejecting off of it nicely. It's not an A plus setup because we are at that same support level, and this supply push did not break any previous lows. But I did see some selling pressure coming in, like this candle forming right here was going down really, really fast. So I felt pretty good about it. But this trade also loses, so we'll see how this one plays out. All right, so right here we see some pretty strong push going down. At this point, I feel like the trade's gonna win in my favor. Like I said, really strong selling pressure coming in, going down really, really fast, and I'm feeling hopeful. But as we'll see, it goes against me. Watching this back, maybe I should have closed the trade a little bit early right here when it was in a little bit of profit, because we could see price is not passing the low of those previous wicks at that previous swing low. Um, and I'm hoping that it does pass it, but like I said, we're at that support level, and maybe I should have closed a little early just to regain a little bit of profits, minimize my loss for the day just a little bit. But I really felt like it was going to go down. That rejection right there is a little nasty, but it keeps pushing down. Like it keeps flipping bearish. It's pushing down really, really strong. And right there, I'm setting up what looks like another supply zone. So I'm thinking maybe if price is going back up, it'll tap into that zone, reject off there, and then keep pushing down. Um, but that doesn't happen. As this candle's forming, it's flipping back and forth from bullish to bearish. And then we get this really strong push down. I'm thinking maybe it'll break past the previous swing low, or maybe it'll hit TP. And right there, I think is where I realized this trade's probably not going to go in my favor because the last like 3 candles came down, rejected off of that level. None of those passed where price was in that previous swing low, and it's pushing back up pretty strongly, even though price is shooting down. All those rejections, and now we're getting a really strong bullish candle to the upside. I'm still holding because it entered my supply zone, and maybe, just maybe, it's going to reject off there, and it does a little bit. But it ends up continuing to go up, and we're close to my daily loss limit, so I think I just closed it early here. Yep, there you go. And here are some of my trading stats. Really poor performance this week and last week. Really got to stop making the same mistakes of over trading and trading in multiple sessions. I just have to do better.